Hi everyone, and welcome to our tech series for business owners. Today, we're going to explore how to use Google Sheets for tracking your monthly budget. As a business owner, managing your finances effectively is crucial. Google Sheets is a versatile and free tool that can help you keep track of your income and expenses, ensuring that you're always on top of your budget. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use Google Sheets to plan and track your monthly finances efficiently. In this video, we'll be covering setting up Google Sheets, understanding the basic functions, using built-in templates, entering your planned income and expenses, and tracking your actual income and expenses against your budget. Let's start by setting up Google Sheets. Open your web browser and go to sheets.google.com. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one first. It's free and simple to do. Once you're logged into your account, click on Blank to create a new spreadsheet. This will open a blank spreadsheet that you can use for whatever your budgeting needs are. You are free to create rows and columns, add formulas, tables, and even charts to track your data. Let's look at some basic functions of Google Sheets. First, you can enter data into cells by clicking on a cell and typing. You can navigate between cells using the arrows on your keyboard. To format cells, you can use the toolbar at the top. Here you can change the font size, the color, and the alignment of your text, among other things. You can also add borders to your cells for better organization. Additionally, Google Sheets allows you to create formulas to perform calculations. For example, you can use the sum function to add up a column of numbers. Simply click on a cell, type equals sum, followed by the range of cells you want to add, and then close the parentheses and hit enter. However, a blank spreadsheet can be a bit intimidating if you're not familiar with all the capabilities that Google Sheets has. Luckily, Google Sheets offers several templates to help you get started. From here, go to File, New, and then from Template Gallery. As you can see, there are a wide range of templates that you can use that have categories, functions, and formulas already set up for you. For our purposes, we're going to scroll and select Monthly Budget. This template provides a pre-made structure that you can customize to fit your needs. As you can see, this has built a template for us complete with formulas, functions, and sections to automatically track and calculate your finances. This template offers some tips to start and asks that you enter your starting balance here. It also asks that you only edit the highlighted cells to ensure the formulas remain functional. As you update the cells with your data, the balances, savings percentage, and dollars saved automatically updates so you can get a better idea of where your finances stand each month. When you click on the values that update automatically, you can see the formula that has been imported into the template for you. Now that we have the budgeting sheets created for us, let's enter your planned income and expenses. In the income section, list all your expected sources of income for the month, such as private pay clients, insurance reimbursements, or any additional revenue streams like workshops or consulting. Next, move to the expenses section. Categorize your expenses like supplies, insurance, and transportation. Enter the expected amount for each category. Throughout the month, update the actual columns with your real income and expenses. This helps you compare your planned budget against actual spending. If you notice significant differences, you can adjust your spending or plan better for the next month. The template automatically calculates these differences, showing you where you might need to adjust. Let's walk through a practical scenario. Imagine you receive $5,000 in private pay clients and $1,000 in insurance reimbursements. Enter these amounts under planned income. For expenses, suppose your insurance is $300, your transportation costs are $500, and your supplies are $200. Enter these amounts under planned expenses. As the month progresses, update the actual columns with the amounts you actually receive and spend. To update your actuals, simply click on the cell under Actual and type in the amount. For example, if your actual supplies costs comes to $227 this month, enter $227 in the actual column for supplies. Do the same for all other categories. This helps you track your spending and identify areas where you might save money. Google Sheets is an invaluable tool for business owners to track their monthly budgets efficiently and effectively. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, Google Sheets allows you to create detailed budget plans, monitor income and expenses, and adjust financial plans in real time. By using built-in templates, you can quickly set up budget sheets tailored to your specific needs, ensuring all financial activities are documented. This helps in maintaining financial transparency, identifying areas where costs can be reduced, and ensuring that your business remains financially healthy. And that's a quick overview of how to use Google Sheets for monthly budget tracking. It's a powerful tool that can help you manage your finances effectively. Give it a try and see how it can make a difference in your budgeting process.